Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Xcaret.
We are visiting this adventure park. It's got cultural experiences, wildlife, underwater rivers, and many fun activities.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Roxana, and today's video we're going to be checking out Xcaret. We're in the beach section right now. Come along and let's check out what's in Xcaret.
Welcome to the most beautiful park in Mexico. This park is open 365 days a year from 8:30 in the morning to 10:30 at night. The Xcaret Plus admission is in 3,368 Mexican pesos,
about $170 US.
You can also purchase it online. You can surely get an online discount for your tickets. The first thing you'll see when entering are the flamingos. They are in different parts of the park. Arrive early to make the most out of your day. You'll be fascinated with everything you'll see. There are shops where you can find a bit of everything: snacks, drinks, water shoes, towels, souvenirs, and much more. There are several maps in the park, or you can download the Xcaret app. It's got the map, the show schedules, and the extra activities that you can buy. Something that is really helpful is the color coding system. We can find different zones and each one has a color. You'll find the lines that guide you to these different areas. The first one that you should take is the black line that leads you to the lockers. There you'll find restrooms, showers, and dressing rooms. What should you bring with you? Comfortable clothes and shoes, a swimsuit, towel, water shoes, a water bottle. There are many water refilling stations. Your camera, although you can also buy the photo package. There are many automated photography stations where you just scan your wristband. There are many cuatis throughout the park. They be running around.
After leaving your stuff in the lockers, you can choose between the water activities or walk to explore the other areas. Many people start with the water activities, so there will be less people in other areas.
On this same black line, you'll find the Monkey Island. It is an area where spider monkeys live. This species is in danger of extinction. Then we continue the blue line to the aquarium. Here you'll find many marine species from the Caribbean. Next, we've got the Norse sharks. This species of shark is totally harmless. Swimming with sharks is one of the extra activities. Moving on, we've got the turtles. They are protected by the Xcaret Park through the Sea Turtle Conservation Program in the Rivieramaya. This is organized by the Fundación Flora, Fauna y Cultura de México. With this program, they are cared for until they are big enough to remain safe from their natural predators, and later they are taken back to the sea. The big ones are near the natural pools in a large pond. There's also a stingray sanctuary. There are very friendly species. Swimming with the stingrays is also an extra activity. Then we've got the green light, the beach route with the cove and beaches. The cove is shallow and it's got calm waters, ideal for snorkeling. And then in order to get to the Mayan village, we've got to cross this bridge where we can find the jaguars. This is the white route. Here you will learn about the daily life of the Mayans, their homes and costumes. You can also admire how the region's craft are made. Following this route, you'll find the aviary where there are 1,500 Mexican birds. It is a paradise with waterfalls. It's got multiple levels. Its design is like a cylinder going around it until reaching the bottom where there is a small pond. Then we've got the butterfly pavilion. You'll see a garden where several butterflies fly free. There are 20 different species inside. This area is closed and it's 15 meters high. At the entrance, you'll see a section dedicated to the life cycle of butterflies. There is also a cemetery. It is a tribute to the Mexican culture. This cemetery has 7 levels and 52 steps that symbolize the days of the week and the weeks of the year. The 365 tombs represent the days of the year, each with different ornaments and colors. There are 3 underground rivers, Río Azul, Río Manatí, y Río Maya.
The water's cold.
This first one is Río Azul, which has a beautiful entrance with a waterfall. They all have their charm and beauty. The routes are similar. They take between 40 minutes to an hour. They have an extension of 600 yards and a depth of 1.60 meters or 5.2 feet. They are the main attraction of the park. Do not miss this experience. It's got fresh and crystalline waters. You will be impressed with the views, the tunnels, the caves, and you could also find bats. There are several places where you can exit in case you get tired, and the life jacket is mandatory. Towards the end of the rivers, the 3 rivers merge and there are fish you will be swimming with. And this other one, Río Manatí, which was my favorite, that has got the mangroves. After swimming in the rivers, I headed to the beach area, another great place to enjoy. You will also find several lounge chairs, hammocks with beautiful views to the sea. This is a perfect place to relax. There are a few restaurants in Xcaret, which are El Manglar, La Cocina, La Laguna, La Isla, Península, Caleta, y Dos Playas. Restaurants open from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. The one I chose to eat in was La Cocina. It's got a Mexican cuisine. The seafood restaurants are El Manglar, Península, and Dos Playas. The shows that you'll find are the equestrian show, Voladores de Papantla, and the pre-Hispanic dances. After enjoying a full day of activities, I took a few minutes to relax and wait for the Xcaret show. Make sure by the end of the day you go to this show. It starts at 7 p.m. in Gran Tlaco Theater. It's 2 hours long and it's all about the Mexican culture and history. There are over 300 artists on stage, costumes, and traditional dances. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.